This is a project named pH controller, microprocessor based pH controller from Acme Electronics. It has 3 boards: power supply, signal conditioning and data processing and display. The main unit, that is the pH electrode, senses the pH value of the liquid and gives the output to the signal conditioning circuit. It consists of various stages as explained in the block diagram. The pH value, conditioned pH value from this board, that is the analog value, goes to the data processing and display board. Here the A to D converter converts this analog input into digital input that will be given to the microcontroller for further processing. This microcontroller, according to the value provided by the A to D converter, displays the pH value on the LCD. Here in this case, we have set the pH value of the plant, or you can say the product liquid, between 7 to 8. So if the value goes below 7, that is becomes acidic, then base dosing pump will be switched on. Then the base dosing pump will be switched on, and if the value of the liquid goes above 8, that is towards basic, then acid dosing pump will be switched on. We can demonstrate this. This is the base liquid. See, the acid dosing pump is switched on. This red indicator indicates that the acid pump is switched on and the pH value is around 10 pH. Now if we put this pH electrode in acidic solution, the base dosing pump is switched on, indicated by this green LED, and the pH value at present is around 4 pH. This is the power supply board, which gives regulated voltages to these two working boards. It outputs plus 12, minus 12 and plus 5 volt. Thank you.